SEC stumbles in Ripple case, lost in a maze of its own making. Yes. So, XRP, as said, exploded with a full force in the market, and SEC has failed in proving its claims against Ripple and XRP. In fact, SEC has axed its own feet and paved the way for XRP better than before. So watch the video until the end if you want to know what were the claims of SEC against XRP and how XRP got victory against them. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we teach you everything about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. Guys, do you know that SEC lost in the maze of its own making against XRP? And not only it lost, but provided more benefits to XRP regarding its reputation, price, and its future. In this video, we will discuss why SEC was against XRP and what were its claims. Also, how XRP defended itself and won the case at the end. So without further ado, let's get straight to our video. SEC vs. Ripple XRP, the cryptocurrency trial of the century. The crypto community was extremely curious about what will happen to Ripple Labs and the token asset XRP after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple and two executives. The SEC alleged that Ripple XRP raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. Guys, you will be shocked to know that XRP lost as much as a third in value after the SEC charged Ripple over how it sold the digital token. The token fell to its lowest since November 20th, effectively wiping out all of last month's 177% gains. Ripple's CEO called the SEC claims illogical in a blog post. But there are some things that an analytical and an expert crypto investor should know about. The explanation is that the SEC follows the Ripple firm for supposedly offering securities rather than cryptocurrency. It is directed at Ripple and its chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder, Chris Larsen. The SEC maintains that XRP should be considered a public sector securities. However, Ripple argues in the past that XRP is a currency against this argument. It says that the security does not have to comply with the same regulations. XRP is a cryptocurrency in the same vein as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The big distinction, though, is that it is sold by Ripple exclusively in segments. It's very different from other cryptocurrencies' standard mining process. Ripple has also looked at opportunities to attract potential customers, such as Flare Network airdrops. This also helps to decentralize the blockchain more and cut the middleman out. The poor news around Ripple arrives with the addition of cryptocurrencies. This means that Bitcoin reaches an all-time milestones in the Coinbase file trade for an initial public bid, IPO. XRP delisted after SEC complaints. Now, if we talk about the immediate implications, by the next morning after the SEC reported this lawsuit, XRP had been down 31.9%. SEC sued them, and even the crypto monetary exchanges Crypto.com, Coinbase, and OKCoin said they had stopped the selling of the XRP token after their founded developer, Ripple Laboratories, had received a lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission. SEC stumbled in Ripple case. As we all know, that the lawsuit argued that Ripple had been distributing cryptocurrency XRP since 2013 rather than the distribution of a digital token to create a payment network as illicit, non-recorded security offers. Now, why they waited for 7 years to file a lawsuit against them when it was growing rapidly in the market? The SEC did not probably foresee the hurricane that the ultimate act of Clayton began, and it showed the vulnerability that was implicit in the decision to sue. It started on the 1st of January, when the agency was attacked by a consortium of XRP holders headed by Rhode Island lawyer John E. Deaton. Deaton, a class action personal injury lawyer, sent a petition to the district court in his home state compelling the SEC to rule out the concept of security in its XRP holdings. The SEC's move against Ripple wrongly affected him, as he sent his valuations plunging and crypto exchanges to begin delisting the coin. He claimed he did not purchase XRP as an investment contract. He did not believe it was a security. Since filing an action, Deaton claims that his case is overflowing with applications from thousands of XRP colleagues who would like to participate. On March 3rd, co-criminal defendants Brad Garlinghouse and Ripple top managers Chris Larsen submitted letters on their own motion for a referral of the case with arguments on the issue of fair notice and due process to the judge in New York. Due to this process, Deaton's response got supported and became more obvious. Also, SEC members didn't attend the Zoom meeting. The SEC seemed to be panicking on March 8th. It sent a letter to the judge in New York asking that the defense of the Ripple case be called improper and false, and so called for an urgent hearing. Guys, this case seems to be the biggest case of the cryptocurrency in the century and history, and no one will forget this ever. And SEC's behavior regarding anyone's investments is not fair at all. The future of the crypto industry in the US is not only at stake, but the greed of unrestricted regulatory hurts. Just how many businesses it pushes abroad to extend its power outside common sense. The creation of what appears to be a joint effort against the SEC in this matter confirms the reaction in its overriding actions. At the February confirmation hearing in the Senate, Gensler said that he believed that the SEC should use its implementing tools only when it can solve a major business problem. It is reasonable to say that by spending SEC money in the McHenry Working Group, the new chairman will tackle the greatest challenge for crypto market rather than the misplacing legal action by Jay Clayton, which could be blowing the agency's face. So that's how it all went until now. SEC is about to lose its claims and has not ground reasons against XRP. The major point is why they were quiet about all this matter for 7 years and suddenly creating a hype out of nowhere. Ripple XRP coming back slowly. On January 30th, XRP had 85% of the digital asset by moving the broad pump with Telegram, which coordinated a campaign for a digital asset by the Wall Street's group and other pump and dump parties. The pump lasted less than 3 days, with the price of XRP falling rapidly to 35 cents from as low as 0.277 cents on January 30th to a high of 0.755 cents on February 1st. A sudden rush of a Wall Street beat traders driven upturn was Ripple's XRP, actually the fourth most important cryptocurrency calculated by CoinMarketCap in the world. After Dogecoin's large meme-filled surge momentarily pushed its price almost 1,000% higher, the XRP is the second cryptocurrency to pump unexpectedly. Members of a Telegram community of more than 100,000 individuals called XRP as a currency to be pushed. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, TSLA, who frequently posts on Twitter about cryptocurrencies, said that XRP will explode soon. This also led to XRP's rise after defeats in the hands of SEC proceedings. XRP is going to explode after lawsuit is over. Everyone's hot favorite question regarding XRP is that will it explode? What is its future? And how is it going to be the next big cryptocurrency? So, to know about it, let's take a look at experts' opinions. Garlinghouse pointed out how important it is to partner with world governments and major banks to develop the Ripple network. Quite possibly, the CEO of Ripple Labs knows much more than the average trader. After all, XRP confidently held on to bear markets when many other projects openly failed. As for the forecast for XRP, the experts are quite optimistic. First of all, this attitude is caused by the CEO of Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse. He believes that Ripple can develop to Amazon scale by 2025. The company's CEO has already become famous as someone who makes cautious but correct predictions. For instance, in 2018, Brad recalled that XRP is a long-term investment. Also, rating agency Moody's published a report which spoke about the accelerated development of blockchain technology in 2021. This is quite capable of increasing the demand for XRP, as well as its value. It is also worth considering that Ripple regularly enters into partnership agreements with large banks and financial conglomerates. Therefore, many experts agree that XRP will break the $2 mark in 2021. There are other signs that XRP has a bright future in 2021. At the end of August 2020, Flare Network, a trusted partner of Ripple, announced the construction of a reliable two-way bridge to the Ethereum network. This will allow applications built on the Ethereum blockchain to access the XRP ledger and vice versa. By integrating Ethereum smart contracts with Ripple, the Flare network will improve crypto functionality, which could potentially increase the demand for XRP. It is not difficult to conclude that XRP will burst in the near future after all these regulations. There has been a boom in the amount of XRP investment, and there is a significant prospect for XRP to win the legal case. Many investors think XRP will see rapid growth if it stays moderately stable in the future, and the value of XRP is predicted to hit $200 or even $300 in the next 10 years, according to analysts. So, what is your take on SEC stumbling and being lost in the maze made for XRP? Share your views with us in the comments section, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. and thanks for watching.